Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to cancel our membership in Spotify. But in this case, I don't have a membership in Spotify, but I explained to you the process anyway. So the first step, when you open your account, you need to go to the superior right corner and you pick here. And after that, you need to pick in View Account. So if you have your membership, your premium, you need to go to the option of Administrar tu plan. This is management your plan in English. You pick here, and after you got the premium plan, the only thing you need to do for cancel that is when you got the premium, here where set Spotify free, set your plan like the individual plan. And if you want cancel this plan, the only thing you need to do is pick here in this button where set Pásate a Premium. This is changed to premium, but in the case you got your premium, in this button set will set Pásate a free, change to free, to the Spotify free. You cancel your membership that you pick here. You cancel your card, and in the next pay you change your Spotify free premium to Spotify free, and you cancel the membership. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.